Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And friends, it's 11 p.m. in the night. Infosys has started hiring for system engineer role. Yes, you heard it correctly. For 2024 and 2025 batch. For 2026 batch, the hiring will happen soon through the college on campus. But right now, this particular hiring is for 2024 and 2025 batch. Here you could see SE, System Engineer, off campus registration September 2025. And friends, I would like to tell you, so the package for the system engineer role will be 3.6 lakhs per annum. I will make a detailed video on Infosys system engineer, okay, like their syllabus, their pattern, everything. But right now Infosys has announced this is the biggest hiring for system engineer role, most awaited. See, Infosys had announced that they are going to hire 20,000 and Capgemini. So Infosys had told 20,000 and Capgemini has told 45,000, right? So I think Infosys has started in this regard. Now, one thing, friends, which I would like to tell you, right? So for this particular hiring, right? Infosys is sending email to colleges, and then colleges is forwarding to student. So Infosys is telling this is for the certain exclusive colleges. So the first thing what you have to do is you have to ask your college TPO that, sir, for this, for your college Infosys has sent. No, then you have to tell, sir, FOGL, okay, means get lost, and this is off. Okay, so you have to tell, because this your TPO did not do anything for you guys. Okay, sorry if you felt bad, but that's a fact. Okay, now, so if Infosys has not sent link to your college, then what will happen? Then also you go ahead and register. What will happen if you register? Infosys will send you joining letter. Arey bhaiya, no. Even if you clear the exam, you have to wait for certain month. Okay, so what you can do, you can apply. Then it will go to Infosys. Infosys will see, arey bhai, this is from Andu. This is from Bandu College. So let us reject their form. Okay, then what will happen? It's okay, next time when it will come, I will fill. Okay, but right now my suggestion, if you'll take, first talk to your college TPO, okay, and then you say him FOGL. If he does not send you link, you apply, and then we will see what happens. Okay, now, so here what you have to do, come down, and then I agree, accept. After accepting, then this particular Bakchodi will start by Infosys. I don't know for what reason this, Infosys will ask every time this one, but anyway, it's okay. So everybody, is involved in time pass. Okay, so please fill this form, first name, okay, and then it will tell by OTP we have sent. So this particular Infosys is basically checking their website that we are able to send OTP or not. Okay, nothing else. Now you see some OTP, I think it should come. Oh, without OTP only it went here. Okay, gender, male, female, I don't want to disclose. Okay, so this you fill it carefully. First name, see, first name here is also, it is asking. Last page also it asks first name, for what? Okay, then last name, then primary email address. Email address also I filled some time back. Hey Bhagwan. Upload recent passport size color photo. So take one recent size. Pet ko andar karke. Saas. Hold your breath for some time. Take photo and then slowly release. Like how you do yoga. Pet andar. Hold. Release. Okay. Then take one photo. Then upload your resume. preferred contact number, your contact number, not somebody else's number, you don't put it here. Okay, then alternate contact number, Babu Sona number you put, date of birth, your date of birth, citizenship is Indian. Okay, if you have another citizenship, then better you don't fill this form. Do you have a passport? Yes or no? No matter. Address for communication, address line 2, pin code, post office, and 1 of 89 answered. That means you will take some few months to fill this form. Okay, after filling this form, company will not reply. This is the fact of this MNCs. But what to do? We have no options left. But going forward, no, the downfall of the companies will also start, because always it has happened that if there is monopoly of something, that will come down one and the other day. Okay, so this was the Infosys hiring, and I would like to tell you, friends, BE take. Okay, see, for your system engineer hiring, then BE take, I don't know, BE take, ME take, okay, MSc and MCA. So for system engineer role, okay, they will allow this, and then 60% 6 CGPA basically they will tell. Okay, CGPA, and 3.6 LPA is the package. Rest all is history. We will see in tomorrow's videos. Now it's quite late, and I just wanted to tell you regarding this particular hiring. That's all. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care.